Hello everyone, welcome to Forex Trading with Sai. If you're finding me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let's get straight into it. So starting off with the title, GBPAUD 110 pips. I'm just going to quickly break down this trade for you, the reason why I got into this trade and what I was looking at for. So in my last weekly watch list, I was talking about price has broken above my major resistance level. So I was only looking for buys. But then we had another alternative, another scenario happened in the market. Price on a 4-hour time frame closed back below my major resistance level. So this highlighted to me that this is a false breakout. So what I did next was scroll onto the 4-hour time frame and started to monitor back this retracement. As you can see, we had a dragonfly doji formed up on my major resistance level. So this was another form of evidence that this major resistance level was going to hold as a new level as support. But then followed by the next candlesticks session, it closed below my dragonfly doji, which alerted me that this is a false breakout and price would then continue its bearish movement. If this candlestick closed above this dragonfly doji, then I would have looked to bought, but unfortunately it didn't. So I began to look at sales. So when I went into the 1-hour time frame, I also noticed that it wasn't holding on this support level here. We had this close at 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning. We had this close below, followed by another close, another candlestick closure below this major resistance level, which I was hoping for to turn as new support. So then I got into this trade. London session being London session, the first 2 hours having a lot of volatility, the bulls trying to take control of it, which they failed, followed by this Greystone doji, which then is another evidence to tell me that this trade is looking to trend down. Bears take control and it started to push down. As you can see, 110 pips was my target. My original target actually was 117, but then I started to see this nice little, started to see support formed around here. So then I amended it to 110. I was quite happy with that. Took the 110, but you can clearly see smash past both targets. And this trade is still going down. But yeah, that's it pretty much with GBPAUD, what I saw, and the reason why I went short on it. I also gave an alert out on my Twitter to say that I was looking to go short. Trade played out, went short, and that's it. So that brings it to this end to this video. I just want to say thank you for watching, and remember, trade smart, not with emotions. I'm also going to leave a short video of a recap of how I got into this trade. And yeah, if you've got any messages, any questions you want to ask me, hit me up on the Instagram, Twitter. And yeah, have a good trading week. See you next time.